Good morning students. Welcome to the class of English. This is the fourth module of the topic Adjective. आज हम पढ़ेंगे Degree of Comparison. Do you know what is it? No? Okay. Have a look at this picture first. There are three pieces of pencils here. This is normal or we can say small. This is smaller than that. और ये है सबसे छोटा यानी कि smallest. Have a look at this one. This is a boy. He is tall. Here is another boy who is taller than the first one. And here is the third, जो कि इन तीनों में सबसे tall है यानी कि tallest. There are three degrees of comparison: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Read these sentences carefully. Shiva is a beautiful girl. Parth is a wise boy. In these sentences, adjectives beautiful और wise quality describe कर रहे हैं nouns Shiva और Parth की. Here, no comparison is made. तो यहाँ है positive degree. The simplest form of an adjective is the positive degree. There is no comparison in it. As you saw in the previous two examples, Shiva is a beautiful girl and Parth is a wise boy. Here, Shiva और Parth को किसी से भी compare नहीं किया जा रहा है, बल्कि दोनों को describe किया गया है. The second is comparative degree. When we compare two people or things, we use comparative degree. We add ER to most adjectives to form their comparative degree. We write more before some adjectives to change into comparative degree. जैसे Shiva is more beautiful than Radhika. Parth is wiser than Mohit. In these two sentences, Shiva को compare किया गया है राधिका से and Parth को किया गया है मोहित से. इसलिए here we have used comparative degree, more beautiful and wiser. The third is superlative degree. When we compare more than two people or things, we use superlative degree. We add est to most noun to form their superlative degree. We write most before some adjectives. जब हम दो से ज्यादा nouns को compare करते हैं, तो हम superlative degree का use करते हैं. Most of adjectives में est add करके हम superlative बनाते हैं. And in some, we write most before them to change into superlative. जैसे Anu is the most beautiful girl. Mukesh is the tallest boy. Mahesh is the wisest man. In these examples, Anu को compare किया गया है सभी girls से, not only two, one or two. ऐसे ही मुकेश इज द टॉलेस्ट में मुकेश सभी बॉयज से टॉल है, ना कि किसी एक या दो से. इन द थर्ड, महेश वाइजेस्ट है सभी मेन से, नॉट ओनली टू एनीवन और टू. स्टूडेंट्स, नोट सम पॉइंट्स. पॉजिटिव डिग्री में अगर किसी सेंटेंस में एस डॉट डॉट एस आता है तो वो भी पॉजिटिव डिग्री होगा. ऐसे ही अगर किसी ब्लैंक के जस्ट बाद नाउन आता है तो वो भी पॉजिटिव डिग्री होगा. कंपैरेटिव डिग्री में ब्लैंक के जस्ट बाद देन आना चाहिए एंड अगर किसी भी सेंटेंस में द के जस्ट बाद ब्लैंक होता है तो वो सुपरलेटिव हो सकता है. नाउ लेट्स सॉल्व एन एग्जांपल रिलेटेड टू डिग्री. द क्वेश्चन इज fill in the blanks with positive, comparative and superlative degrees. The first sentence is this is a dash poem and the adjective is short. Here, poem is only one. No comparison is made here. So here we will fill positive degree short. The second is Vinutha is dash then Amutha. मैंने अभी आपको बताया कि अगर डैश के तुरंत बाद then होता है तो वहां हम comparative degree fill करते हैं. तो यहाँ हम fill करेंगे taller. Jam is the dash boy of our class. दा के तुरंत बाद अगर डैश होता है तो हम कौन सी डिग्री फिल करते हैं? we fill superlative degree. तो यहाँ हम fill करेंगे most brilliant boy of our class. The fourth is I want something dash than this, and the adjective is cheap. Here we will fill comparative degree cheaper. Next is a lion is dash than an elephant, and the adjective is small. Here is also the comparison is made between whom? Between the lion and the tiger. तो यहाँ हम कौन सा डिग्री फिल करेंगे? Comparative degree. तो यहाँ we will fill smaller. Next is this is the dash room in this house, and the adjective is small. House में जितने भी रूम हैं ये उनमें से small है, सबसे small है. So this room is compared to all the rooms. तो यहाँ हम superlative degree का use करेंगे, which will be smallest. Next is I am dash than you, and the adjective is old. Here also you can get the hint कि dash के तुरंत बाद than आया है. जहाँ हमें fill करना होता है comparative degree, तो यहाँ हम fill करेंगे older. The last is a horse run dash than a goat, and the adjective is fast. Goat को compare किया गया है horse से, तो fast का comparative degree होगा faster. So kids, हमारी एक्सरसाइज भी कंप्लीट हो गई है. तो चलिए अब हम होमवर्क चेक करते हैं. The question is fill in the blanks with positive, comparative and superlative degree. The sentences are given on the screen. So students, hope you are able to understand the topic and now you may solve the exercises very clearly. See you again in the next video. Bye. Thank you.